Hey, hi, hello, what is up everyone? If you're new here, my name is Linnea, and this is a space where we're trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes, all while living in the suburbs. So, if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, well, thanks for being here anyways. Anyway, today is a fun recipe. We're doing dog treats today. I have only done one dog treat video in the past, and it was with sourdough, and Calvin kind of liked it, but like not a lot. He's a really picky eater, a very picky eater. He doesn't even like a lot of human food. So this one is kind of fall themed. It's got pumpkin in it, it has peanut butter in it, it's got cinnamon in it. So we are going to make them, and we're gonna see if my really picky dog enjoys them. So come along with me, let's go make some dog treats. All right, we're gonna do 2.5 cups of whole wheat flour. I'm gonna do 2 eggs. A half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm not gonna measure it, but I'm just gonna it's probably good. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and you wanna do the, I don't know if you can see it, the natural peanut butter. You want to avoid anything with xylitol for dogs. So luckily this is the peanut butter we always have. I hate peanut butter, but Jonathan loves peanut butter. So this is the peanut butter he prefers anyways. And then we're going to do a half cup of 100% pure pumpkin puree. And then it does also call for a half teaspoon of salt, so just gonna put a little salt in. I don't really know why it needs salt, because he's a dog, but we're just following the recipe, and the recipe has good reviews. Okay, now it says that when we mix this together, it's gonna be super dry, which I can see because whole wheat flour is dry anyway. So it's supposed to mix it together, so I decided to use this mixer. And then it says to add water. Oh my gosh, it's going everywhere. It says to add water a little bit at a time to make it come together. This is the most crumbly batter I have seen, but you know. Basically what it said was you want it to be a batter or dough that it sticks together, but you want it to be really stiff. So we're gonna do our best. Watch me do all this work for my dog to not even like it, which is probably exactly what's gonna happen. All right, I'm gonna be back once this is all mixed in, and I'll let you know approximately how much water I ended up using. Okay, so here is what my dough looks like. I mean, I feel like that's stiff, but not too wet. I will say I added probably about a 1/4 cup of water-ish, roughly. So now I'm gonna take this and try to smash it down to about a 1/2 inch, and then we'll make dog treats out of it. Could I get my rolling pin out? Yep. Would that be easier? Probably. All right, I kind of smashed it down as best I can. I think it's about a 1/2 inch. You know, it looks fine. I also don't have like a dog bone cookie cutter, but I do have this cute little pumpkin cookie cutter, so we're gonna make little pumpkin treats. And I do have Might be a little thick. I don't know. I do have my oven preheated to 350, and it says to bake these for approximately 35 minutes or until they are hard. So I'm just gonna stand here and punch out all these treats. All right, that is the tray. I'm gonna put these in at 350 for 35 minutes and we'll see how they turn out. They look good so far. So let's put them in and see how they turn out. They look pretty good. They're hard. I'm just gonna let them cool and then we'll let Calvin give them a try. I don't know how he's gonna feel about this flour situation. I'll have to brush that off, but I think maybe he'll like them. Okay, so Calvin is a very picky dog. He has eaten a couple of these, so let's see if he'll eat one for the camera. Oop. Here, let's pick it up, bud. Will you catch it? You know, we're winning here. It's good, bud. Here, let's try again. Let's try again. Yeah. Here, you'll like it. This is how Calvin be. Is it good? Want some more? Is it okay? Get it. Do I need to break it again? Here. Smaller. There's a crumb on his nose. You done? See, I think most dogs would really enjoy these treats, but my dog doesn't even like human food sometimes, so he eats them at night. We'll leave it at that. He eats them at night, and he eats them. So if your dog is not a picky eater, I suggest you try these treats out. If your dog is a picky eater, probably you can get it. You can have it. Maybe try not to if your dog's a picky eater. But Calvin probably won't see you in the next video, but I will. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.